Welcome back to MyTransOva Made Easy, your guide to client success. Today's video will go over how to make and save views to be able to easily access information. In MyTransOva, all tabs have the option to create a view, but for the video today, we will be working in the Embryo tab. When you click on the tab, it shows all embryos that are in your inventory. On the right-hand side of the screen, there are tabs with columns, filters, and custom views. Under Filter, you can filter for specifics depending on which information you're looking for. For example, all embryos by one donor or all embryos by a specific bull. Under Columns, you can create a view to then save and be able to access that view every time you log in. For this video, I'm going to choose Donor, Sire, Cane, Straw, Grade, Stage, and Semen type. Once the view has all of the information you want, go to the Custom Views tab, click Save Filters as New View, and name the view however you would like. Now, anytime you log into MyTransOva, go to the Embryo tab, then go to Custom Views. Your saved view will be there to use. TransOva is continually looking for innovative ways to make MyTransOva.com an even more valuable tool for our clients. Check back for more updates and videos coming soon. And as always, if you have any questions, contact your client service representative.